these are my two friends that are crazy enough to follow me.
Trek started very hard, with hills going up and down. There were moments I thought of going back. Our porters, the real heroes, accompanied by our guide Antonio. A 6-hour walk, and we finally arrived at our first camp. The next day after breakfast, our journey continued to our second camp.
Ooh, this is bad. Yeah? You have to join us again. This is what you get for a $10 bag. You do not want your backpack to be falling apart on this trail.
It is the third day. A 4-hour trek to the summit of Mount Roraima awaits us.
This is a really breathtaking view, and you're not even on the top of the mountain. You're high above the clouds, and you're very tired, or at least I am tired. I can hear my heart pounding.
I want to tell you all about this day. What I felt, the cold, the heat. Let me hear you say, let's go to the beach.
So we just reached top of Mount Roraima, and it wasn't easy. It was very dangerous, very slippery, and the journey does not stop here. We'll be spending 2 days on the top exploring Mount Roraima, and I'm curious to see what it has to offer, if it really is what legends say it is. But legend says it is. I apologize for the bad grammar.